Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a stunning pink satellite fascinator. Let's get started. We'll start by measuring out 40 inches of millinery wire. Then fasten the ends of the wire with thread to create a circular frame. Cut off the excess thread and then wrap the wire frame with a piece of pink netting fabric. Securing the fabric in place with the UHU glue. Lay a yard of pink netting fabric on the table. Place the wrapped wire frame onto the netting and wrap the netting, securing it with a piece of remaining net material. For this step, you tie as tight or loose as you wish. I just wanted the pleats, so I went ahead to tie as I wanted. The tighter it is, the curved shape will be pronounced. After tying, trim away any excess material. Now, take your fascinator base and position it on the netting. Sew the base securely to the netting with needle and matching color thread. Use a pair of scissors to carefully cut out the center of the netting to reveal the middle of the fascinator. Then, sew one end of the elastic band, measuring 14 to 15 inches. Sew the elastic band to the fascinator and cover the rough edges with a bias ribbon to give our fascinator a polished look. Next, you want to arrange those beautiful flat back pearls sparingly over the base and around the edge of the fascinator. And there you have it, our pink satellite fascinator ready to make a statement. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed making this elegant fascinator as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects. Until next time, stay creative.